Hello and welcome! I'm Jenny Hall. Thanks for joining me for another card making tutorial. Today I'm creating a wizard image and I'm going to make some special effects with rubbing alcohol and ink refills onto glossy white paper. I'll start the project by coloring in the wizard image from Magical Day stamp set. I've stamped it in Memento Tuxedo Black ink because this is a water-based ink, and water-based stamped images do not bleed and run when colored with any kind of alcohol markers. So I'm using my Stampin' Blends markers today to create the look of maybe a weathered kind of a wizard. There are so many different wizard icon images that are in history or in the media, and I don't want to copy and make the same one. I don't want to have a character from one of my favorite books appear on my card unless I'm meaning to do that for intention purposes. So I want to come up with somebody all of his own. So I've tried to do that by making the garments look weathered and original, making the different pieces of the wizard also stand out by using a white gel pen or something that were fun for me to use to create him. So what I really like about this project is the background. So I'm starting out with a piece of glossy white paper, and I have used my Stampin' Spritzer filled with rubbing alcohol. It's also called isopropyl, I think. And I'm taking my ink refills after spritzing the rubbing alcohol, and then I spritz again to move around the pigment. And check out exactly how nice that looks. The effects that come from these combined products are amazing, and it's something that I think that would look really great with the wizard image, because the wizard evokes magic in my imagination. I want to create a background that looks magical as well. I started off with Elegant Eggplant because it's a really nice purple, and when it's diluted it's a beautiful purple. Added some gray because there's going to be a little bit of gray tied in with his garments. And I finished off with Crushed Curry, which is a very vibrant yellow. I've added a drop and then used my finger to kind of keep it into a circular motion. What I'd like to do is to create a focal point in a certain part of the card so that I can appear to have the wizard creating this kind of a light energy. It just all kind of came together into this little wizardy mess that I'm actually kind of fond of. There isn't a happy birthday sentiment in the stamp set Magical Day, so it's alright to pull one from another stamp set. I got Fairy Celebration, and it has this nice, very simple scripty font that will evoke a very clean image and send the message through very easily. And I'm excited to use one of the new celebration freebies on this card, and that would be this beautiful gray ribbon, which is incredibly sparkly, and it's very soft too. I was really surprised, although I shouldn't be, because Stampin' Up's ribbon is of premium quality. So I've used just a length here, and I'm going to kind of make these two long lined images cross or intersect and come together with the image of the wizard. It's something that I kind of had in my mind and it works, so I'm going with it. Oftentimes in crafting, things happen while the video is being created and while I'm working on the project, and it just kind of comes together and works. So I'm happy to share that with everyone today. The inside of the card is kept really simple with some more stamps from Magical Day. I hope you like the results of the alcohol and the glossy white paper. If you would like to share any of your projects that have that look, send them to me. I'd love to have a look. My email address is jennystampsup@gmail.com, and then go over to my blog and look at this post. It's jennystampsup.com, and I'd love to see what you're working on. Let's share with each other. That'll be really fun. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day!